Hi, I'm Mubashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. And I am receiving many questions about what we do when your account is permanently restricted and why my LinkedIn account is permanently restricted. So different questions I am receiving from people and different reasons, and now I want to show you when you again and again violate the LinkedIn policies and then your LinkedIn account is restricted. And now different reason of restrictions, for example, content violation. And if you again and again violate the content policies of LinkedIn, and then LinkedIn can permanently block your account. And when you are using automation tools again and again, and then LinkedIn can restrict your account. And if you are sending and breaking connection request limits of LinkedIn again and again, and then LinkedIn can permanently block your account. But in case of profile violation and in case of identify violation, LinkedIn will not give you any chance. In first chance, LinkedIn permanently block your account. So after this, many people ask me different questions, so I want to explore one by one. And now first question is okay. And the first question is what we do when our LinkedIn account is uh, permanently restricted. So the answer is very simple. In very few cases, the LinkedIn permanently account is restored, but in mostly cases, LinkedIn will not restore your permanently account restrictions. So answer is don't waste your time. It's better to make a new LinkedIn account. So different more question. Can I use my old email address for new LinkedIn account? Yes, you can use your old email address for your new LinkedIn account. Can I use my real name or for new LinkedIn account, or can I use a same LinkedIn account for a new LinkedIn account? Yes, you can use your real LinkedIn account, your real name or your same name as your already restricted account. Okay, can I use same device for new LinkedIn account? Yes, you can use same device if you have a same laptop, mobile, so you can use same device for new LinkedIn account. So many people is also facing the issue of when they made a new LinkedIn account in 24 hours or in 28 hours or sometime in 48 hours, their account will again permanently restricted. So I am repeating my all these sentence again. Mostly people are also facing this issue when they made new LinkedIn account, and after 24 hours or sometime 30 hours or sometime 48 hours, account is permanently restricted. So then what you need to do, you need a new device for sign up of a LinkedIn. You can use your friend's laptop, you can use your new mobile, and you can use other device like a tablet and different things. And you can also use any tools that change your IP address of laptop, and you can also use a VPN. And when you sign up a new LinkedIn account with the help of a new device or VPN, so you just need to sign up for 30 days and keep this account in same device. And after 30 days, when your account is fully optimized and when your followers are increasing, and then you just need to log in back in your old device. So I will repeat it again so we totally understand. When you make a new LinkedIn account with the help of VPN or with the help of new device, then you need to keep at least 30 days login in same device. Okay, and once your account is fully optimized and when your followers are increasing, and then you can log in again in your old device. The purpose of this talk is because LinkedIn keeps your documentation and restricted account information for 30 days, and after 30 days they automatically delete your fake account information. So hope you understand about these tricks, how to make a new LinkedIn account and when your account is permanently restricted. And if you have a more question related to this, so I am available here. So thank you for watching this video.